in WA in February, it's a great time to be out in your garden. It's the last month of summer, but there's still plenty to plant and lots to do. This month is a great time of the year to put your succulents and cacti in. These little guys are easy to plant, don't forget your gloves, and they're also really simple to look after, especially if you're new to gardening. One of my favourites is the Crassula species. They come in lots of different shapes and colours and sizes. They are so hardy you really can't go wrong, they'll grow anywhere. You can also consider planting yuccas. These guys are really heat tolerant, so it's a good time of the year to put them in. Why not think about planting some edibles as well? In February, it's a little too hot to be putting your seedlings into the ground. Maybe try pots or planters instead, that way you can move them out of the afternoon sun. Have a crack at growing basil, coriander or oregano. Or why not grow your own beetroot? If you need some advice of what to put into your garden, come into your local Bunnings store and we can give you a hand. And don't forget about our perfect plant promise. All our plants, except for seedlings, are guaranteed for the first 12 months. If you're not 100% happy, return your plant with receipt and we can give you a full refund. Expect to harvest produce like radish, pumpkin varieties and your strawberries. Remember, regular picking will encourage a better crop. We're coming to the end of summer and it's still really hot. Here are a few tips of how to take care of your garden. Using a mulch and a wetting agent will help retain moisture through the summer heat. And of course, in this heat your garden will need regular watering, especially any fruit and citrus trees. Don't forget your pot plants, they will dry out really quickly as well. A bit of seaweed solution will help toughen up your plants against the summer heat. Summer is a great time of the year to be out in your garden, so get out there and get into it this weekend. Come in and have a chat to one of our experts at your local Bunnings store and have a look at the great range of plants that we have that could be in your backyard. Click here for more gardening advice or click here to go back to our website.